Welcome guys, this is me, you're watching my YouTube channel. So today in this video we'll talk about how to buy a plan for WIX website, how to buy and how to see domain and free domain and 50% off domain for WIX website. So this video is only for those who want to use a WIX website with a free domain for a year, for 2 year, for 3 year. So this video is interesting for you because in this video we'll talk about how to use free domain 50 or percentage domain for WIX website, and you can use it also everywhere. So this video is interesting for you. Before starting this video, our humble request, please subscribe the channel or press the bell icon to get notification of latest videos. So let's start. Today's the best video. So you can share with your friends if you want to get this domain from me, so you can buy also from here. And also recommend you kindly use this website builder. You can get a lot of benefits and you can set your plan according to your budget, like $7 for $5 for $11 for $23 per month. So you can see here a lot of benefits like site features, like file something use. You can see here you can use these budgets, these features in your site according to your theme, according to your memory, according to your GB. You can buy from 100 GB, from unlimited GB. You can fix your according to your online store, according to your shop, which you want to sell your product, which you want to sell your list your product here on your store on this website. Because a lot of features you can see here, you can buy a free domain. I think if you want, you can set your payment method like Visa card, and and this website you can. So now you can choose your plan according to your budget. If you want to buy $11 plan, you can see your features, you can see your benefits, you can see your services the WIX webs domain provide you for a year, for 2 year, for 3 year. So I recommend you kindly use Visa card, because if you want to buy a domain for yourself or others, you can refund your money. If any, you can cancel your domain, so you can earn a lot of money from this website and to buy this domain. So I recommend you kindly to hurry up and get 50% off to buy this domain for a year. And this you can see program, as you can see here the features are available here in your website also. So you can see here the look after here. If you want, the other new features are available here, you can see in the grand mode. So if you want to do business, if you want to create online store, so I recommend you kindly buy free domain from here, and you can upgrade your website especially here. So there are a lot of features available here, so you can look here. And I recommend you the WIX website is the best platform to use. Is very easy. You can SEO of this website, you can list your product as everywhere and every time according to your wish, and you can set a manager of another person and from third person if you want to. And you can list your product according to your plan. If you want to buy a plan, you can set memory here, and you can if you want to set a plan, so you can choose here program, and a lot of benefits you can watch here. And secondly, I humbly request and I humbly recommend you kindly buy a plan for unlimited plan, because if you want to set up your website, you can set up your features. If you want to set up a lot of things on your website and you sell and list your product here, so I recommend you kindly buy a plan for unlimited GB plan. So you can watch here 23 per month $. So you can search here. There's the offer well until to 9 May 2024. The promotion is well for initial subscription purchased during the sale. So you can sell, there is a sale, so you can see the plan here. So I highly recommend you kindly get unlimited storage space. You can buy here. So if you want to buy from me, so you can get off 50% off, and I think it's very good for you to buy free domain and get 50% off. And there's the platform for data platform and other platform, especially here you can buy here. And I highly recommend you kindly buy a domain for Wix website from here, and you can cancel your payment, and the Wix will be refund you especially as you want. If you don't want to use a Wix domain from here, so Wix website, the Wix will refund your amount as you want to use. Okay. And secondly, I highly recommend you kindly come on to Wix and create your website to start your business and get your business, because this is the best platform in the world, and 420 million users across the world. And this website is very secure. You can search SEO, you can do XEO of this website very easy, and you don't need any code. You can create your business and you're gonna start your business, and you're gonna start journey from here. And you can create online store, you can open online store and set all, and you can set the business, and you can set the product on, you can list a product here and sell out according to work. But I highly recommend you kindly sell those products by which the people search all over the world, and people you can say this product hunting service tool, and use Google Trend what people search from United States. You can watch if you want to present there. And 420 million users use Wix website. And but Shopify is very good, but the Wix website is reliable and it's very good. And I highly recommend you come on the Wix website and do your own business as you want to. And then I request you kindly purchase the unlimited features domain, as you can get more and more benefit, as you can earn a lot of money from this website, and you can link your account, link your payment method. So this is the very best platform to do something here, and you can buy something here. So this is the video. You can ask there frequently asked question. You can, I give you link in the description below. You can check out for more detail, and you can buy and you can upgrade your Wix plan and create free domain. So I give you link description below. You can check out for more detail and a lot of things, a lot of matters, and I will be here, so you can check out for more detail. And secondly, I highly recommend you come on, let's go, really hurry up and get 50% off to buy free domain from here. And I highly recommend you. See you next video. Kindly keep in mind, so subscribe and hit the bell icon and share with your friend. Thanks.